Hey guys, welcome back to Love for Food. I'm your host Sapna with Chef Bharat. Chef, I haven't forgotten. आप हमें सिखाने वाले थे गोवन झींगा मसाला.
Yes.
And we're waiting for it.
Okay, we'll start with Goan Jhinga masala or Goan prawn curry. First, what we do is we marinate the prawn.
Okay.
We just add a little bit of turmeric powder and salt, and then keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
For, not more, only for 10 to 15 minutes.
We're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Toss it.
Mix it little bit, and then you leave it in the chiller.
Okay.
Okay.
कितनी देर तक हम इसको चिलर में रखें?
10 से 15 मिनट. अभी इसका हम मसाला बनाते हैं. इसी मसाले के लिए हमें थोड़ा ब्लेंडर लगेगा.
Right.
So now basically I'll use this one.
So we take a pan.
Pan.
और
We heat it. Okay.
Okay.
Empty pan because हम लोग को ड्राई भूनना है मसालों को.
इस पे हम डालेंगे जीरा.
जीरा.
जीरे की खुशबू ही अलग आती है when we just roast it थोड़ा सा भूनने के बाद.
Yeah, certainly.
That's the idea.
So basically हल्का सा भून लिया इसे. आप देख रहे हो हल्का सा धुआं सा आ गया है. ये आपको थोड़ा आवाज सुनाई देगा.
Exactly.
Okay.
चटकने की आवाज इसको
And
कहते
then
हैं.
you just take it, put it into the blender. Then you add a little bit of coriander seeds. Whole coriander seeds और धनिया, अक्खा धनिया. Okay, just again the same thing.
Grinded नहीं, खड़े मसाले इसमें ज़्यादा हम यूज़ करेंगे.
Okay, उसके बाद में let's put it in the mixer. Then red chilies, few according to your taste.
Exactly.
Spicy, if you want spicy, you add more.
This is enough.
This is enough actually. Otherwise, it will be more spicy. That's it. That we roast. Okay. And then what we do is we add a little bit of ginger. Okay. We add garlic. Then little bit of haldi. Okay. Then we add imli or tamarind.
To make it थोड़ा सा
Khatta.
खट्टा.
And then what we do is again we take some coconut.
Okay.
Grated coconut.
Grated coconut basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just boil it like dry broiling without any oil or anything.
Okay.
Toast a bit, just उसका moisture ये होने के लिए. Then we add the coconut.
There we go.
Okay.
And now we're gonna grind it.
And then we add a little bit of water
Okay.
and grind it to make it a fine paste.
Okay.
This is basically the masala.
तो ये पेस्ट हमारा तैयार हो चुका है, which is थोड़ा maroonish color का. It's really looking nice.
Yeah. So now what we do is we start making the curry now. The
Okay.
jhinga masale ka masala. Basically we add little oil first.
Okay.
Okay. Once the oil is little hot.
Okay.
Okay, we add little bit of onions first. Then we have to saute these onions.
Okay.
So once the onions becomes translucent, we add this masala into this.
Okay.
So once the onions
Brown
is
होने वाला है, उससे पहले हमें इसको mix कर देना है.
पेस्ट कर देना है इसके अंदर.
So let's show it थोड़ा सा लोगों को ललचाते हैं.
Okay.
इसका कलर दिखा के. Looks like this. You can see it. It's a very nice color. It's a perfect Indian color.
Perfect Indian color, yeah.
Exactly.
Now you see the oil is started leaving.
Exactly.
Okay, the pan. Okay, we add
Basically
little
तेल
bit of.
जब मसाले को छोड़ने लगता है,
So
we
add-
get to know कि
Yeah.
it's getting
Cook हो रहा
cooked.
है. Okay,
Exactly.
तो थोड़ा सा पानी
Some
डाला.
water.
Okay, we boil it. So we add tomato paste,
Right.
and then we allow it to cook it. Okay.
That's nice. So it
So-
has changed its color again. थोड़ा
Yes.
सा reddish हो गया है.
Tomato के वजह से.
Exactly.
Now we'll add little bit coconut milk into it. Okay, and then we allow it to simmer.
Right. Wow.
Okay, so now you see it's become little lighter now.
Exactly.
Okay, so now we leave it for another 10-15 minutes to
Okay.
cook it.
So the curry seems to
So,
be ready.
almost ready now.
ready.
So now we put the prawns which we have marinated it.
Prawn time. इसमें झींगा हम डालेंगे,
Okay.
जो हमने मैरिनेशन के लिए
Okay,
रखा था
we
चिलर
put
के
the
अंदर.
jhinga. So jhinga डाला आपने. Then we put the balance coconut milk.
Okay.
Okay, and we then allow it to boil.
Boil.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will take another 10 minutes to cook.
That's it. 10 minutes and we're done.
So you see, आप जो करी बना रहे हो almost ready है.
Right.
Prawn जब पक जाता है वो अपने आप कर्ल कर लेता है. Okay.
Right.
So what we'll do is we'll start plating the prawns. Okay, I'll put the prawns.
So it's good to eat with rice.
Steam rice.
Steamed rice.
and in Goa it's called as sheet curry.
Sheet curry.
Okay, so
Sounds
just
good.
garnish with some coconut grated.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna give a
And
touch
some,
of white,
and some green curry leaf.
So here's our Goan Jhinga masala all ready to be eaten. And chef, I'm really dying to dig into that. Thank you so much for being with us on Love for Food. Do you love food?
I love food.
Oh, he loves food.
Goan prawns curry. Ingredient: prawn 1 kg, onion red Indian 100 grams, tomato paste 50 grams, chilies green 7 grams, coconut milk 500 ml, corn oil golden maize 50 ml. For paste, chili red dry large 20 grams, coriander seeds whole 6 grams, cumin seed 8 grams, turmeric powder 4 grams, tamarind 10 grams, garlic peeled 10 grams. Method for marination: add turmeric and salt in the prawns and mix well. Keep this in chiller for 10 to 15 minutes. For masala, heat pan and roast jeera, whole coriander seeds, 5 to 6 dry red chilies and grated coconut one by one and put in mixer. Add ginger garlic, turmeric powder, tamarind and water. Grind masala into thick fine paste. For curry, heat oil and add chopped onions and saute. Add grind masala when the onions are translucent. Mix well. Add little water into the masala. Add 1 spoon tomato paste and cook it. Put coconut milk and allow it to simmer. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add marinated prawns to the curry. Put the remaining coconut milk and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Garnish prawns curry with grated coconut and curry patta and serve with rice.
Hey, where are you going? Stick around because right after the break, coming up is our health food expert, Mithun Desarkar, for very healthy recipes.